My name is Saksham, and today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I build this CI/CD pipelining tool in Python Flask. So it's very similar to Jenkins. You can read about Jenkins, which is a CI/CD pipelining tool to automate your deployments and all, right? So yeah, let me tell you about my setup. I have a Docker. You can check this is my Docker, no images, no containers are available right now. And I will use this port. Uh, this is this little the port where my application runs on, right? So yeah, and this is the repo which I have used for testing. It's basically the Swagger clone, right? So it has this Docker file. I can show you like this is the Docker file which I've created. Download this JDK, create this app directory, copy the snapshot jar in this app directory, expose this port, and run this command to start your server. So this is a prerequisite to, Dockerify is a prerequisite to run to use this script tool. So this is my script cd.py, and this is the HTML. This is basically to render and upload from UI. So yeah, you can see I'm getting some details pre-filled here. So this is the same GitHub repo which I have shown you. So what is this repository path? So this is the path where your repo will be cloned in your machine. In case that I'm using the Mac machine, so it will clone on my local repo, but it can be it can be deployed on any cloud machine, so it will copy over there. I will use master branch here. Username and password is not required since my repo is public. Project name is something which I can give test app, and yeah, I can build and deploy. This will start printing some logs over here in the terminal, and let me show you quickly. So this is how Jenkins also work. Jenkins also show you some logs and all, right? When you deploy your application, right? So it's finished. Let me go and check the images. This is the test app image, and the container is up on port 8080. Let's check quickly out of application. So yeah, let me. Okay, it's not loading. Some issue. Okay, finally it's been loaded. Uh, So there is no API right now. It's shown in this image because it's not available right now. Yeah, that's the thing. I can show you the script quickly. So basically, right now it's for Spring Boot only, but you can change it according to your need. So it will first check whether your system is Maven or Creatable. It will run this command to package create a snapshot jars, and it will then run this Docker build to create the image, then start on this port number. And yeah, I have added one logs API which will return the logs, whatever the logs we created. So this is the logs. So whenever this run command will run, it will start the sub process, and it will generate some logs. So I will append to this logs and keep on adding to this logs variable. And so this logs API will be called, periodically from UI, and it will return the latest logs. So yeah, you can uh, expand this code and build it for every other different language like Python, Node.js, or everything. We can also integrate some custom query language to run some script in your server. Like right now, it's doing with the Docker file, but we can do it. Can automate it as well using some of our custom script like how Jenkins do. So yeah, that's what I wanted to demonstrate. Yeah, take care, guys. Bye bye.